Take a new layer and go to the text tool. Write down the text. Change the font to copper black and make the font color to black. Make the fill opacity of the text to 0%. Go to the blending mode of the text and click in the bevel and emboss. Now make the following changes. Style, inner bevel, technique smooth, depth 200%, direction up, size 15 pixels, soften 1 pixel, angle 120 degrees, altitude 30 degrees, change the gloss contour to ring. Highlight mode, linear dodge. Opacity 35%. Shadow mode, linear burn. And opacity 30%. Now click contour and change it to ring. Check the anti-alias bar and make the range 50%. Now go to drop shadow and make the following changes. Change the blend mode to multiply. Keep the color black. Make the opacity 30%. Angle 120%. And change the value of distance, spread and size to 10 pixels. Make a copy of the text layer to make it more effective.